Good morning, students. In last class, we have discussed about three do's and don'ts. What are they? Be safe, be gentle, keep it clean. Be safe, be gentle, and then last one is keep it clean. And this class, we will discuss about other two do's and don'ts. They are keep your correct posture and then share equally. Keep your correct posture and then share equally. So, when you sit very close to your monitor, we cannot able to see the monitor very clearly, and our eyes is also start hurting. Okay, our eyes is also starts to hurt. And when you are using a monitor, your posture is important, very important. Your sitting position is very important. Okay, so here the do is keep your chair at the proper height. Keep your chair at the proper height and then keep your proper distance from the monitor. So maintain a certain distance from your monitor also. Okay. So this is the do here. Keep your chair at the proper height and keep a proper distance from your monitor. Do not sit like this very close to the screen, and the chair is also very low in position. So keep your chair at the proper height and maintain a distance from the monitor also. And here the don't is do not keep your hand on the mouse continuously. Do not keep your hand on the mouse continuously like this. Okay. Okay. And then the next one is share equally. Okay, for example, there are two friends, Tejas and Jyoti. They are working in the computer. If Teja is completed her work, then Teja will share the computer with her friend Jyoti. Okay, this is a good habit. So here the do is take turns for using the keyboard and mouse. So for example, if Teja is using the keyboard, then Jyoti will handle the mouse. If Teja is handling the mouse, then Jyoti will use the keyboard. Okay, and then give space to your classmates while they are using computers. For example, if Jyoti is working, Teja gives some space to her to complete her work. Okay, and then here the don't is do not disturb others by playing loud music. Okay, do not play with the music in very high sound. It will disturb others also. Okay. And the next one is using a mouse. The next one is using a mouse. So we know that about mouse, that a mouse is used to point at items shown on the monitor. Okay, the mouse is used to point out the items which is shown on the monitor. When we move the mouse around, the arrow on the screen also moves around. Okay, when I am moving the mouse, the arrow on the screen is also moving. And then the arrow is called the mouse pointer. The arrow is called mouse pointer. The mouse is usually kept on a flat surface called the mouse pad. Okay, the mouse must be placed in a mouse pad. Okay, the arrow in the monitor is called as mouse pointer. The mouse is kept on the flat surface as mouse pad. Okay, and then pressing the button is called as click. Pressing the button is called as click. There are two buttons on the mouse. Okay, there are two different types of buttons on the mouse. The button on the left hand side is called the left button. Okay, the left hand side button is called as left button, and the button on the right hand side is called as right button. Clicking these buttons tells the computer what to do. Okay, by clicking these buttons, then the computer can understand what the work have to done. Okay, first point is the arrow is called the mouse pointer and the mouse is kept on the mouse pad only. And then when pressing the button is called as a click, there are two different buttons. What are they? Left button and right button. The button on the left hand side is called as left button and the button on the right hand side is called as right button. Okay, these are the informations about mouse. Thank you.